4 bedrooms, an RV garage, luxury finishes, located on a cul-de-sac and in Idaho's top school district. This house is priced under $800,000 and the buyer gets $200 and free tacos. This is one that you have to see for yourself. From the moment you walk in, you'll notice the attention to detail. Warm, designer finishes, soaring ceilings, abundant natural light, and a layout that feels both elevated and inviting. The heart of the home is this beautiful kitchen, complete with premium cafe appliances, quartz countertops, custom cabinetry, and an oversized island made for everything from slow Saturday mornings to hosting friends and family. One of my favorite features? You don't just get one place to gather, you get 2 spacious living areas. Whether you're hosting game night, giving the kids their own hangout space, or creating the perfect movie room, this home gives your family the flexibility to truly spread out. At the end of the day, retreat to a primary suite that feels like your own private escape. And this soaking tub? Imagine ending a busy day right here with a good book, candlelight, and a little peace and quiet. Need room for all the North Idaho toys? The oversized RV garage has space for your RV, boat, side-by-side, or workshop, with plenty of storage left over, and an amazing loft. Outside, you'll love the oversized yard, quiet cul-de-sac location, and the kind of neighborhood where kids still ride bikes and neighbors know each other by name. Beautifully finished, thoughtfully designed, move-in ready. If you've been waiting for a home that truly has it all, this one you'll want to experience in person. Thank you for taking a tour with me today at this beautiful home. I wanted to take a minute to sit down and share with you from my heart some of my favorite parts about this house, other than obviously this amazing back porch swing. My kids actually have played at this house many times. These are good friends of ours, and we're so excited for them and the next chapter for their family where they're moving to some property. But this home has some really special memories. I personally love that it's split level. I love that the kids can go play downstairs in the basement and all of the parents can drink wine or coffee and have actual conversations with each other upstairs. That part is a huge plus for me. I love this amazing backyard. This backyard is actually zoned for a shop already. So for those of you who want even more space, you can actually work on building a shop back here. So many of my friends have boats, RVs, toys, and they don't have anywhere to put them. This RV garage here truly is something really special, especially in the city of Rathdrum. Absolutely love that. And I love the finishes. The bathtub in the master bath, my favorite, by far. That's where you would find me if this is where I lived. If you have any questions about this home, if you'd like to know more about the neighborhood or details, we would love to give you an exclusive tour. Feel free to reach out to us at sellingnorthidaho208.com. We would love to cheers to you and say, welcome home.